Delaware Valley Daily Forecast for Tuesday, August 8th. Quick look at temperatures. Generally in the mid to upper 60s out there this morning. 69 in Philadelphia, 68 in Wilmington, 64 in Westchester, 65 in Pottstown, 66 in Trenton, 69 in Millville. Do have some cloud cover this morning. And I think that's going to be the theme for, or at least the rest of this morning into the afternoon. We'll have to keep an eye on the clearing line right here. We slow to advance, but might make it through in time where we do see some sun this afternoon. Temperatures, we should get up to the upper 70s to around 80 in most locations today. And then a cool August night. Lots of 50s out there, some mid 50s north and west to 95. Some low 60s once you get right around 95, and then points south and east from there. So interesting things going on in the tropics. So we have Invest 99L. All right, that's moving along to the west here. So it has not been in a very conducive environment for development. But as it moves west, it does have a better shot at developing. It's not a foregone conclusion that it does develop into a named system, but certainly has a better chance as it starts to move west. And this is the EPS probability of it developing into a tropical storm, and brings it pretty too close to comfort to the eastern seaboard, that's for sure. There's a Bermuda high that's sitting out here in the Atlantic, and that's helping to steer this thing and help it to prevent it from actually cutting early and just move the northwest into the Atlantic. It's going to steer it a little further along to the west before it cuts up. So something to keep an eye on. The entire eastern seaboard needs to keep an eye on it. Wouldn't be too worried about it at this point, but something to keep an eye on. The models are starting to catch on to it, so we'll see what it does here in the next couple days. Plenty of time to watch it. Moving along to the next couple days here, we're in a dry pattern now that the system from yesterday has moved on to the northeast, and as it moved on to the northeast, it helped to drag a cold front down to the southeast. So overall dry pattern today, tomorrow, and then into Thursday. Temperature is pretty comfortable for this time of year as well. So upper 70s, around 80 today, probably low to mid 80s the next couple days. And then the extended pattern, it looks like, I don't see any extended heat. I don't really see a whole lot of heat at all. If anything, a couple degrees below average for the next week to 10 days, it does look like. So as we fast forward into Friday and into the weekend, we are going to have a frontal boundary. It's going to be close by, and there might be some disturbances that move along it to help create some lift and energize that frontal boundary. So dry the next couple days, but increase in the chance of precipitation when we head towards Friday into Saturday. See Saturday afternoon here, and then as we head into Sunday. And then we'll have to keep an eye again next week as that frontal boundary kind of sits close to the area, and we do have potential for a tropical storm or hurricane off the coast here. So we'll see how the two interact, but it could be a fairly wet weekend into early next week. Again, plenty of time to keep an eye on it, keep you updated. For now, have a great day.